Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This time, we're going to talk all about crypto airdrops, how to get them, and some tips so you don't miss out. Let's jump right in. Ostium has launched its points program, where active users can earn a share of over 500,000 points every week. In addition, the project has already distributed 10 million points to participants from the public and private mainnet, testnet, and pre-testnet. Visit the website and connect using any method you prefer. Then, check your points balance. Click Fund, choose a payment method, and deposit funds into your account. In the Trade section, you can open long or short positions on any available asset using different leverage options. In the Strategy section, you can place bets on the likelihood of specific events. In the Vault section, you can provide liquidity. By trading, betting, and providing liquidity, you increase your activity on the platform, which boosts the number of points you earn. All right, folks, that's it for today's discussion about airdrops. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.